Everybody in the boat?
Everybody in the boat? Wait. Everybody in the boat.
In the boat.
Yo, boat meta. Protect the boats, man. They're coming.
Get the fuck out of the boat! Get out of the boat!
Stay the bomb hit! Oh god! Get the fuck out! This guy actually has the nicest guns. James, dude.
I know.
He's got the fucking Gucci 1911. And he's got that RD 704. And he's got the USEC patch on his fucking helmet.
Yeah.
Dude. I'm sorry, I'm just like admiring everything, dude. You got my Tarkov build on your hands right now.
Oh!
Was that meant for me?
Yeah!
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry.
I'm so proud
Thank
of
you.
this community.
Yo, at the stop sign building. This black one right here. He's in the window.
I don't know where the fuck that was.